Okay, gang, I am back for a couple of days home from the Pathfinder school. And while I was gone over the weekend, we went above that magic 3,700 subscriber number. So if you guys have watched a few videos in the past, you know I said when I got to 3,700 subscribers, I would give away a Pathfinder edition Huntsman. So, we're ready to do that. So here's the deal. I need you to like and subscribe this video if you're not already a subscriber. And I need you to put a comment in there. The way it's going to work, I'm going to let this go for 3 days. And on the end of the third day, I'm going to take all the comments. I'm going to print all those out and give them a number. Then I'm going to get online to a random number generator. And I'm going to pick a number out, and whoever's lucky number it is will win the Huntsman. And it probably won't be until after I get back from this next class, because I'm leaving in just a couple of days here to go to another class over at the Pathfinder school. And when I get back on Monday, I'll do the printing out the comments and doing the number generator thing, and we'll give this thing away. So that's all I got for today. And before you see any sticker shock here in the near future, I'm thinking about this being a beard season year. So I'm thinking pretty seriously. When me and the wife first got married, she's not all that fond of beards. She's Asian, Pacific Islander, and so what I told her was I would take half the year and she'd have the other half of the year. So April to October, which is, I know, a little more than half, but you know, April to October, I would be pretty much furless. So that may happen again this year, because I'm thinking about cutting everything off and starting over anyway. So I'm thinking that might happen this year, not 100% guarantee. So before you tune in here in a couple of weeks and I'm bald and furless, don't let it be a surprise. So thanks for your views. Thanks for your support. Thanks for getting me up to this 3,700. And then I'll figure out something where the next milestone is going to be. We'll give something else away. I'll try to shoot another video from over at the Pathfinder school like I did this last week. Give you a little bit more look at that tent. If the weather's good enough to open up the porch and do all that kind of thing over there, I'll show you what all that looks like. And give you some exterior views of the tent. And that's really all I got for today. See y'all later, and hopefully a few of you will come out to the school.